everyone, this is Vidushi.
And this is Rashi.
Welcome to our podcast
Discuss.
So today we are going to discuss
About
My-
Vidushi's favorite,
My-
most loved topic.
my absolute favorite, my darling, food. I love food. Like अगर मतलब मेरे को शादी भी करनी हो ना, I just very food only. I love food so much. I am such a foodie. I love food so much, but I would want you to begin about how much you love food.
I love food very much.
Like अगर देखो किसी शादी में जाना है, alright, which is the
I'll
best.
probably eat the snacks.
Yeah, you'll spend the entire time eating snacks, and then your parents are like, खाना भी खाओ जाकर, but you just won't आया खाना because you're busy eating snacks and your parents are tired of you.
I mean, yeah, whenever I go to a wedding, I always mostly eat the snacks. I mean, there are so many varieties. Like you can eat the chapatis, the vegetables, everything at home as well.
And
But the snacks, you can't get those like the same taste in the snacks made at
yes,
home.
like the French fries, the वो होता है ना honey chili potato type.
And I don't
lovely.
know nowadays, right, in the the more 5-star type of venues, there are so many different. Like I won't even be able to guess the name of the dish I'm eating, but they're so delicious, so delicious.
मेरा पता है क्या, इफ़ देयर इज़ अ स्टैंडर्ड वेडिंग ना, मेरा सेट है कि किस ऑर्डर में मैं किस स्टॉल पे जाऊंगी. सबसे पहले मैं घुसूंगी, आज सर्च फॉर गोलगप्पे जहाँ मिल रहा है मैं वहाँ पे सीधा जाऊंगी, एंड आई हैव एटलीस्ट 6 गोलगप्पे. 6 गोलगप्पे खा के आई गो नेक्स्ट टू द चाउमीन स्टॉल, एंड मैं भर के चाउमीन खाऊंगी, एंड मेरा 90% वहीं पर डन हो जाएगा. अगर मैं उसके अलावा कुछ खाऊंगी, इट विल आइदर बी आइसक्रीम और लाइक शाही पनीर. आजकल शाही पनीर अवॉइड कर रही हूँ मैं, बिकॉज देयर इज टॉक्स ऑफ नकली पनीर एंड स्टफ. तो मेरा जो मोस्टली टाइम है, इट इज स्पेंट ऑन गोलगप्पे एंड चाउमीन, विच इज़ लाइक माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. आई कैन ईट एनी क्यूजीन एनी टाइम, चाहे तुम जापनीज़ खिला लो, पाकिस्तानी, इंडियन, चाइनीज़, मैं कुछ भी खा लूँगी. आई जस्ट लव फूड इन जनरल. तुम कुछ पकाते हो ना किसी चीज़ को, दैट इज़ जस्ट सो रिलैक्सिंग टू मी, विच इज़ वाई आई वॉच कुकिंग वीडियोज़ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. I watch like recipes of stuff I'm never going to have, but because खाने को पकते हुए देखना भी ना, there's a joy in it.
It just looks so tasty, na.
Yeah.
I mean, every time I'm watching a cooking show, I need to have something to eat in my hand. Otherwise, I'll be craving what they are making,
For me, it's like घर पे तो टिंडे ही खाने हैं. At least I can watch something good ना.
घर पे टिंडे क्यों खाने? Eat something better.
That is what I told my mom. Like,
But yeah, टिंडे are good.
Tinde is fine, but if you have it like once a week or something, if you're having like tinde tori always, I don't like tinde tori.
Like once a month or twice a month, tinde are alright. But
My mom, she'll
why are we talking about tinde? There's so many cuisines. Talk about something nice.
हम देसी लोग
हम देसी
हम देसी लोग हैं. मेरी मम्मी को भी कुछ पकाने को मिलेगा ना, लाइक कुछ बढ़िया बनाया, आस्क व्हाट, लाइक पालक बनाई है. Like, why
पालक कैसे बनाते हैं? It gets so salty and it's like कड़वा टाइप फीलिंग आता है.
And जब मैं पालक नहीं खाती ना, what she'll do, पनीर डाल देंगी बीच में. You like as if somehow that paneer is going to save the palak. I'm just going to eat the paneer out of it. I'm just going to leave the palak.
Nowadays there's so much Western culture in the Indian foods. Like apart from the the main course in a dinner, we usually have some Chinese, something Japanese, something like French fries, and something American like burgers, or I don't know.
Dude, I feel like
it's so much influenced by the Western culture. However, they do not taste like the other countries.
I think
we always add the Indian spices, the Indian tadka to it.
I think it's like the opposite. Like अगर तुम इंडिया में hot dog खा रहे हो ना, you're not going to get the same hot dog that you eat in the States. Like हमारे hot dog में ना, there's सब्जी, there's कद्दू की सब्जी and आलू. Like they will not expect.
Most of the people in India are not non-vegetarian, right? While eating a hot dog, you'll think of a sausage inside it.
Yeah.
However, we don't eat meat. So you have to put in a substitute.
You have to.
Right?
I think
That's
it's the
why we get
opposite.
kaddu ki sabji.
Like westernized नहीं हो रहा है. It's like the opposite. तुम Domino's के पास
but we are taking the Western thing
And we are Indianizing it.
right, and we are Indianizing it. You know, the thing the master chefs do, they bring a dish and then they elevate it. That's
Yeah,
what we
but
are doing.
It's so interesting, you know. At Domino's पे भी जाओगे, you'll have a paneer makhni pizza. There's a like
हाँ.
Italian person who is going to look at this. Like what?
What's makhni?
Paneer makhni pizza and like stupid shit. Like there's a burger that McDonald's launched. It was like, I don't know, South Indian dosa burger or something.
Dosa
with tangy chutney also. So this is so. Sometimes it feels good.
South Indian chutneys are nice, but a dosa with a burger,
Yeah,
I don't think it's
no,
going.
no. And I think Indians also have like an obsession with anything with butter or with like cheese.
Right.
And
Everyone loves butter and cheese.
yeah,
Like I've barely seen anyone who does not eat butter or cheese.
मार्गरीटा पिज़्ज़ा खाने में तो नंबर 1 है हमसे बड़ा consumption कोई. Like even if it's not good ना, we will still have the cheese. I feel like.
I mean, the other day we were talking about the liquid cheese and
Yeah.
how it is not as good as the
Yeah,
real cheese.
yeah. I was talking about whenever I go to pizzerias nowadays, na, and even if you order a margarita or any other kind of pizza, they don't offer you real cheese. They always mix it up with some mayonnaise. What is mayonnaise doing on my pizza? I paid for the cheese. Where is the cheese?
The prices are going up and the
And
quality is going
Why
down.
the hell is there mayonnaise on
in my pizza. Right.
Huh?
It's supposed to be cheese. I want to have the cheese full.
Yeah.
Why is it all liquid?
But nowadays you can't trust anything on the market. Oh,
That's
there's
so
always
true.
like news of analog paneer, and you know, even it's just not safe nowadays.
Everything.
Yeah.
You have to be very cautious when eating anything.
Yeah, even with the stuff like cabbage also, na. Some
Yeah.
people they don't wash cabbages.
We don't even eat cabbages much of the time. We tell them to not add cabbages in
Yeah,
our food because I mean I don't trust cabbages.
Even if you go to someone who's cooking like chow mein or something, na, they'll tell you we don't wash our cabbages because when you wash a cabbage, na, it soils very fast. So that's why they used, which this is so you to me. Like imagine, why can you not even wash your vegetables?
Huh.
This is so, oh my god. Oh, you talk about it. My rant is over.
What do I talk about? I mean, let's talk about the Indian noodles, right? Maggie.
Oh, love.
I mean, who does not love Maggie? I mean, all the talk about the lead in that. I don't care, dude. I am eating it once a month. I don't care about the lead. I care about the taste. I mean, as soon as my exams are over, I call my mom and tell her, "Mummy, Maggie bana do, please." I am so done with the exams. Maggie is like my comfort food. Like other than the rice, second thing that comes in place of comfort is Maggie. It is so nice, yeah. I don't know what they put in there, but it is really nice.
अच्छा, I have a question to ask you. जब आप मैगी खाते हो, whenever you cook Maggie and you have it, do you add something to it or do you eat it just
I
like that?
usually see. I personally prefer the Maggie as it is, like
Exactly.
nothing else added, just water, the masala, and the noodles, right, and boil it and cook it well. However, my family, right, they want some extra spices.
Nutrition. Oh.
No,
No,
they want
no
extra
nutrition.
spices. They want.
We
they
don't
want
like
it to be-
nutrition.
No. None of us eats Maggie with vegetables in it. Like I cannot take it. Why do you need vegetable in there?
It just
It is
spoils
supposed to
the
be junk.
taste.
Huh?
You're eating Maggie for the sake of eating junk, no. Like, what's the point?
I
It's
mean-
just going to spoil the taste.
Right. I mean, imagine eating a carrot in the middle of Maggie. Everything is so spiced up, and suddenly you are eating something sweet.
Yeah,
The taste is spoiled.
I'm
Or
guessing.
a pea.
I was going to talk about this. कि जैसे अपने कैरेट के बारे में बोला ना, I'm pretty sure you don't like peas because of the same reason. They're sweet.
Yeah, they're very sweet. My mom keeps asking me to eat carrot in the winter, right? So because she's my mom and I cannot say no to her, I always eat them first before eating anything else. So I am done with the carrot. Everything sweet is gone. Now I will eat the vegetables. That's how I eat usually. I don't like mixing sweet and salty.
It's just so you. I also asked my mom कि मम्मी देखो मेरे को अलग से गाजर दे दो. I'll have. It just don't add it to anything basically.
No, I mean I can eat it in the aloo
Gajar.
gajar. Yeah, I can eat it
hate.
because there's salt on it. It's not as sweet anymore.
Please kill me, but don't feed me aloo gajar matar.
All right, everyone. This is it for today. We'll see you in the next podcast. Bye.
Bye.